Dear students of class 5A, today you are welcome to my GK class. Now I am going to introduce you two new lessons. Now here you see there are two lessons I have mentioned, lesson number 22 and lesson number 23. Lesson number 22 and lesson number 23. 22 Indian festivals, lesson number 23 World of Music. Now I am going to discuss about some other points. Holi, Diwali, Pongal, and another one Onam, another one Guru Parab, and next one Mahavir Jayanti, and here Buddha Purnima. So these are the names of different festivals of India. The people of different communities of India, they generally enjoy, they celebrate. So what is the name of different festivals of different communities of India? The people of different communities usually enjoy. Now I am going to discuss about it. The first one, Holi and Diwali. Holi and Diwali. Who generally celebrate these two festivals? Which community celebrate the festival Holi and Diwali? The Hindus. Every year the Hindus celebrate the Holis and the Diwalis. And next one, Pongal. Pongal is celebrated for how many days? Pongal is celebrated for 3 days. Pongal is celebrated for how many days? Pongal is celebrated for 3 days. And next one, Onam. Onam is the festival of which community? Onam is the festival of which community? Onam is the festival of Kerala. Onam is the festival of which community? Onam is the festival of Kerala. And next one, it is not mentioned here, but I am teaching you, Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr. What is this? Eid-ul-Fitr is a festival of the Muslims. Muslims families, Muslims get together and feasts are organized to celebrate this festival, Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr. And now next one, Guru Parab. Guru Parab. What is Guru Parab? And why is Guru Parab celebrated? And who celebrates Guru Parab? Guru Parab, actually the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev is celebrated in Punjab, is known as Guru Parab. Clear? The birthday of Guru Nanak Dev is celebrated in Punjab, is known as Guru Parab, the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev. And next one, Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti. What is Mahavir Jayanti? Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated in the name of, Mahavir, the famous Mahavir, the famous Tirthankara Mahavir. In the name of Mahavir, the Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated by the Jains. Who celebrate it? The Jains celebrate it. The Jains celebrate the Mahavir Jayanti in order to commemorate the image of Mahavir. And next one, Muharram. It is not mentioned here. Muharram is celebrated to honor the martyrdom of Prophet Muhammad's grandson, Hazrat Imam Hussain. Hazrat Imam Hussain was the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. So, to honor the martyrdom of Prophet Muhammad's grandson, Hazrat Imam Hussain, Muharram is celebrated. Next one, who celebrate the Chaliya Sahib? The Chaliya Sahib is celebrated by whom? By which community? By the Sindhis. And next one, Karva Chauth is the festival kept by Hindu women for the prosperity of long life of their husbands. And next one, Easter and Good Friday are festivals of which community? Easter and Good Friday are Christians' festivals. And next one, Goddess Durga and her 9 forms are worshipped during which time? During Navaratri. During Navaratri, Goddess Durga and her 9 forms are celebrated during Navaratri. And next one, on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi, large idols are immersed into water bodies. Large idols means Lord Ganesha. Clear? Lord Ganesha is known as Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. It is celebrated in Maharashtra, in the state of Maharashtra, where Lord Ganesha is worshipped as one of the most important god of the people of Maharashtra, Lord Ganesha. So on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi, large idols of Ganesha are immersed into water body. And next one, Christmas is a cheerful festival which celebrates the birth anniversary of which one? Of Lord Jesus Christ. Clear? Christmas is a cheerful festival which celebrates the birth anniversary of Lord Jesus Christ. And next one, Wangala festival is celebrated in which state? Wangala festival is celebrated in Meghalaya. It is celebrated in Meghalaya. So, this is the point of, lesson number 22. Now, I am going to teach you lesson number 23. My dear students, these all are lessons very easy to you. But thing is, you have to learn all these things and keep it in your mind. Whenever live class will be started, I shall send you a message, and before the live class starts, and I shall mention the number of lesson from where I shall continue. I shall conduct the live class with you. Before that, you have to be well prepared for it, because I shall ask you questions, you have to answer me. And next one, 23, lesson number 23, world of music. Lesson number 23, the world of music. The world of music. Lesson number 23, the world of music. The world of music, lesson number 23. Here, you see, I shall mention some of the name. Pakistani Sufi singer. Who is the Pakistani Sufi singer? I shall mention the name. What is the name of the Pakistani Sufi singer? Pakistani Sufi singer is known as Pandit Biswa Mahan. Pakistani Sufi singer is known as Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan is known as the Pakistani Sufi singer. And next one, the only Indian to win a Grammy award for the best music album. Who is he? He plays only one Indian to win a Grammy award for the best music album. Who is he? Pandit Biswa Mahan Bhatt. Pandit Biswa Mahan Bhatt. He is Pandit Biswa Mahan Bhatt. Pandit Biswa Mahan Bhatt. Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. He is Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. He is known as the famous Grammy Award winner, musician, Grammy Award winner, singer of India. He is Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. He is the most important and phenomena and most important Indian music personality who won the Grammy, the only Indian to win a Grammy Award for the best music album. He is Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. And next one, the famous tabla player who is the son of Ustad Allah Rakha Khan. The famous tabla player who is the son of the also famous tabla player Allah Rakha Khan. Who is he? Do you know? He is Zakir Hussain. He is Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain is the son of the famous tabla player Allah Rakha. Allah Rakha Khan was his father. So the son like father, like son. The son of Allah Rakha Khan, Zakir Khan, had become famous in playing tabla throughout, in not only India but throughout the whole world. Who is he? He is Zakir Hussain, the son of Allah Rakha Khan, the famous tabla player. And next one, Alisha Chinoy. Who is Alisha Chinoy? He is known as Indian Madonna. She is known as Indian Madonna. She is a pop singer popularly known as Indian Madonna. Who is she? She is Alisha Chinoy, the pop singer, Indian pop singer known as Indian Madonna or Indian Madonna. Who is she? She is Alisha Chinoy. And next one, Lata Mangeshkar. You know, it is a very common name to us, the name of Lata Mangeshkar, the famous Indian female singer Lata Mangeshkar, and she is world famous fame and glory. That's why she has been given a nickname that was the Nightingale of India. She is also called Melody Queen. Who is also called Melody Queen? Who is known as the Nightingale of India? She is Lata Mangeshkar. She is known as Nightingale of India. She is known as Melody Queen of India. Who is she? She is Lata Mangeshkar, the famous female singer of India. And next one, Adaman Sami. Who is Adaman Sami? Adaman Sami is the world fastest piano player. Adaman Sami is the world fastest piano player. Adaman Sami, the world fastest. Adaman Sami is the world fastest piano player. And next one, the most important music director of a Hindi film, for which he was given awards for several times. He is famous music director, and some of his famous movies are Dil Se, Roza and Lagan. Dil Se, Roza and Lagan. Who is he? He is the famous music director A.R. Rahman. And next one, Gulzar. Who is Gulzar? Gulzar, the man wrote the songs of films like A Ma, A Masoom, A Ma and Masoom. The famous lyric, the famous story writer, the famous director of Hindi film, of Bollywood. Who is he? He is Gulzar, the famous poet, the famous lyric, the famous director, film director, the famous the famous story writer, novelist. He is the most eminent person of Hindi film industry. He is Gulzar. And next one, Subramaniam. Who is Subramaniam? He is a famous Indian violinist. he married Kavita Krishnamurti, a well-known playback singer. Subramaniam married a well-known playback singer, female playback singer Kavita Krishnamurti. And who is he? He is the famous Indian violinist. He is Subramaniam. And next one, Bismillah Khan. Who is Bismillah Khan? You know very well the name. Every year, once upon a now Bismillah Khan is no more, but once upon a time, at least 5 or 10 years back, who heard his singing, heard his playing of Senai, the famous player of Senai player is Bismillah Khan. Every year during 15th August from the Red Fort, the famous distinguished persons who were present there, they heard his Senai during the time when the Prime Minister was about to deliver his speech on the special occasion of 15th August. That time, that very eminent person was invited to play Senai, and that's why the whole people of our country, the whole nation waited for him to hear him. He was, who is he? He was Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan, the famous person, got Bharat Ratna and plays Senai. He also given Bharat Ratna for his wonderful effort and wonderful, contribution in the field of singing, playing Senai. He is Bismillah Khan, the most eminent person. Bismillah Khan is no more, but still his image is still there in the hearts of the Indian people because of his remarkable performance in singing Senai. Every year, Prime Minister, the President, everyone invited him to come and grace the occasion. So every year, till he was alive, Bismillah Khan used to come to to play his Senai. During the last few years, he was not so physically fit. He was ill, but still, Prime Minister himself, the President himself, took special care and sent car and his caretaker to take him for the great occasion of 15th August, and hence he would come and grace the occasions. For several times he came, although in spite of being severely ill, he came and graced the occasion. Although during the last few years he could not perform well, but still that he was a good Senai player. He touched the heart by using the beat and the ragas of Senai through his skills, abilities, and he also proved that once upon a time he was a great Senai of India, but for his great honor and for his wonderful performance in the field of Senai playing, the government of India awarded him with Bharat Ratna, the most important award of India. As a distinguished people of India, he was awarded Bharat Ratna. The famous person was Bismillah Khan, my dear students. So these are the two lessons I taught you, and lesson number 22 and lesson number 23 In lesson number 22, what was there? Hindu, the Holi and the Diwali are the most important festivals of which community? The Holi and Diwali was the most important festivals of the Hindus. And next one, Christmas. Christmas is the most important festivals of the Christians. Christmas, most important month, and Lord Jesus Christ Christmas cheerful festival because of the birth of anniversary of Lord Jesus Christ, and which was the most important festival of Meghalaya. Wangala is the most important festival of Meghalaya, Wangala. And another one, Guru Purab. What is Guru Purab and why is it celebrated? Guru Purab is celebrated in order to commemorate the birth anniversary, in order to celebrate the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Purab is celebrated in order to commemorate, in order to celebrate the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev of Punjab. And Guru Purnima is celebrated in order to commemorate the birth anniversary of which Lord? Lord Buddha. And who celebrate the important festivals? Mahavir Jayanti. The Jains celebrate the most important festival, Mahavir Jayanti. Who celebrated? The Jains celebrated. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated by the Jains. And how many days generally Pongal festival is celebrated for? How many days? Pongal festival is celebrated for 3 days. Pongal festival is celebrated for 3 days. My dear students, you must remain with me. You must remain with your book and open at page number 31 and page number 31 and page number 32. 31 and 32. And be careful and sincere, because any type during a live class, any type of lesson I may choose and I can give you immediately. You have to learn and keep yourself fully ready for it. And next one, Muharram. What is Muharram? Muharram is celebrated to honor the martyrdom of Prophet Muhammad's grandson, Hazrat Imam Hussain. In order to celebrate the honor martyrdom of Prophet Muhammad's grandson, Hazrat Imam Hussain. That's why Muharram is celebrated. And Eid-ul Fitr, this is celebrated by the Muslims, and the families of the Muslims get together, and feasts also are organized to celebrate Eid-ul Fitr by the Muslims. And what is Oram? Oram is the greatest festival. Oram is the greatest festivals of which state? Oram is the greatest festivals of Kerala, one Indian state, Kerala. Oram is the greatest festival of one Indian state, Kerala. And next one, Holi and Diwali. What is Holi and what is Diwali? Holi and Diwali, the most important two festivals, are celebrated by which community? The most important festivals are celebrated by the Hindus. The Holi and the Diwali. The Holi and Diwali. Holi and Diwali, most of the two these are the two parts of the same festival, Holi and Diwali. Holi, same type of Holi and Diwali. During Holi, all the people of Hindu communities, they get together. They come and celebrate by getting together and enjoy themselves the day Holi. And Diwali also the same. All the Hindu community people get together and they enjoy it by making the whole, by removing the darkness, by making all the dark places well lit. This is Diwali. So these two important festivals, Holi and Diwali, are celebrated by the Hindu communities. Up to this, my dear students, and as I instructed you, you must keep it in your mind. Thank you.